Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of electric fencing with a review of what many consider the best insulated wire on the market. The Kanayu Electric Fence Wire. Whether you're looking to secure your property or manage livestock, having a reliable electric fence is crucial. Let's see if this product lives up to the hype. First off, the Kanayu Electric Fence Wire comes in various sizes, but today we're focusing on the 100 feet, 14 gauge option. This wire is specifically designed for durability and ease of use in creating and maintaining electric fences. Let me show you how easy it is to handle and install the Kanayu Electric Fence Wire. As you can see, it's designed with user convenience in mind. In conclusion, the Kanayu Electric Fence Wire lives up to its reputation as one of the best options for electric fencing. Its robust construction, ease of use, and competitive pricing make it a top choice for both residential and agricultural applications. If you're in the market for reliable electric fencing solutions, this product certainly deserves your consideration. Interested in learning more or purchasing the Kanayu Electric Fence Wire? Check the links in the description below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.